Meaning of hyphenation.
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 Hyphenation. Hyphenation refers to the process of dividing a word at the end of a line, with part of the word continuing on the next line. It is commonly used in text formatting, particularly in printing and typesetting, to ensure that blocks of text are arranged neatly and consistently. The hyphenation algorithm determines how words are hyphenated based on their letter combinations and syllables. Effective hyphenation can improve readability and visual appeal of text by reducing awkward spacing, while poor hyphenation can make text difficult to read and disrupt the flow of content.